Hi guys, my name is Humayun and in this video I'm going to talk about how to clear the cache. Before we get started, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification to stay aware of our latest videos uploaded on this channel. So let's get started. Alright, so I will show you how to do this using step by step. So let's begin. The number one is disk cleanup. But actually before I move into this, I would just like to quickly explain you that clearing out the various type of cache on your Windows 11 PC will help you prevent errors, improve processing speeds, and free up disk space to help keep your system running smoothly. Alright, so let's get started. For that, actually, we just need to press the window button and then type disk cleanup and select it in the drive section. Select the drive where you have Windows 11 installed. For most of you, it will be C drive. And yeah, once you select the C file, just click OK. We'll just click on OK now, and then you will see various types of cache and other files. Just click to check all of these boxes to remove all cache files listed. After doing that, here once you select all of them, it will just ask you again to just permanently make sure that you want to delete them. Of course, like in this case, you have to. That's it. Once you do that, you'll be okay. Let's move to number 2, DNS flushing. If you're having internet connection issues, flushing the DNS will clear out all DNS records and IP addresses from your cache. To clear the DNS cache, right-click the Start menu and then select Windows Terminal type. And then the following this will appear, and then into the terminal, command IP config, add a space, flush DNS, and then press enter on your keyboard. If you've done this correctly and the cache has been cleared, you will get the message successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Number 3 is the location cache. Sometimes if a file gets corrupted, thinking you're in a different location, to manually remove the location cache, right click on the start menu and then select settings in the left sidebar, select privacy. Once you select that, and then security, scroll down to the apps permission. Okay. And then location near me, and then bottom of the page you will find location history. Okay, click on and then clear to remove the location. Then number 4 is clear file explorer cache. While navigating your files and folders, if you notice that they are not loading or loading very slowly, removing the file explorer history will clear out the cache, creating a new one that will fix a problem with the file explorer window. So open the right of the view click. You have to see more icon and then select options. Okay. Make sure that the general tab is selected in the privacy section where it clearly says clear file explorer history. Click on the clear to remove the cache from your site explorer. Alright, so clear browser cache. Each day as you visit websites in your favorite browser, it's storing cache. That can get corrupted. If you notice browsing the net is quite a little bit slower or web pages are not loading correctly, you should clear out the cache from the browser. I'll quickly show you the step to do this for the most used browser, Google Chrome on Windows 11. In the Google Chrome, the upper right click, there are 3 dots, icon hover, down to, more tools and click on clear browsing data in the window that pops up in the basic tab. Check the box next to cached image and files, and if you want, keep your browsing history and cookie on other sites unchecked those boxes. Choose a time range from last hour to whatever, and then choose all the time after making your sections clear. That's it. So all time and then clear the data. Alright, so let's move to number 6, clear cache automatically. If you like to clear your PC's cache automatically, you can use Storage Sense built into Windows 11. To set it up, right-click the Start menu and then select Settings in the system. Go to Storage and then in Storage Management toggle the slider next to Storage Sense to turn it on. Now click into storage sense and check the box next to keep Windows running smoothly. By automatically cleaning up the temporary system and the app files, you can also configure a cleanup schedule to run storage, since your choices are from every day up to every month, or when you're running low on free disk space. If you want to run now, scroll down to the bottom of the page and select run storage. Okay, I'll just show you. All right, so yes, okay, yes, so now we can click on this run storage now, and then that's it. Now we know very well how to clear the caches. I hope you find these videos really beneficial, and yeah, please subscribe to our channel for learning more.